In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a link to Logout of WordPress. Whether you're managing a website with multiple users or simply want an easy way to end a session, learning to add a custom logout link can provide that seamless experience. First, let's understand why you might need this. While WordPress does include a default logout option, it's often tucked away in areas like the admin bar, which isn't accessible to every user you might have on your site. By creating a customized link, you can place it prominently where users can find it easily, making the process straightforward and user-friendly. The first thing you need to do is log into your WordPress dashboard. Once there, navigate to the Appearance section and click on Menus. From here, you'll want to either select an existing menu or create a new one, depending on where you plan to place your logout link. This step is crucial because it determines where your logout option will appear on your site, such as in the header, footer, or sidebar. Next, focus on the Links option within the menu settings. Here, you will add a new custom link. The key detail for the URL field is the logout URL. WordPress's native URL structure for logging out is your website's URL followed by wp-login.php, action logout. It's important to replace your website.com with your actual domain name to ensure the link functions properly. In the link text field, you can type something straightforward like logout or get creative with whatever suits your website's style. After filling in these fields, hit the Add to Menu button. Remember to save your changes by selecting the Save Menu option, which makes sure your new logout link is officially part of your site's navigation. Now that your link is set up, let's make sure it works as intended. Visit the part of your website where you added the link and click on it. A logout link should ideally redirect to a logout confirmation screen. Sometimes, if you're already logged out, it might take you back to the login page directly, but that's perfectly fine and means everything's set up correctly. The last, but not least step, is to verify that the link is visible only to logged-in users. This is crucial because a logout link that appears for guests can be confusing. To achieve this, you could use a plugin like Nav Menu Roles, which allows you to easily manage menu visibility based on user roles. And there you have it. You now know how to create a functional logout link in WordPress. This can greatly enhance user experience by providing a clear and accessible way to log out, especially for sites with multiple users or membership features. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips like this.